So today we are looking at the Bwine F7MINI 4K. This is a drone with 4K video, also 8K picture quality, and a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. It's got 3-axis brushless gimbal and gives you 20,000 feet of transmission range. It comes nicely in this little travel box where you have your drone that flips out. You have your controller where you can pop this part out and you put your phone in there and it connects right there. There's a cord that's connected already. And then you have 2 extra batteries. There's also a little mesh pocket with a bunch of other accessories like cables, so you can connect your lightning phones, but also USB-C cords for charging those batteries. There's also some extra blades and tools to change those, and just in case, some extra joysticks. But I gotta tell you, I've looked at drones like this in the past and they've always been difficult to fly. This one was really quick. Like, you download the app, you set it all up, and it was flying fast. And the first time I flew it, I took it up pretty high and I noticed it was starting to rain, and it had no problem. I mean, it's not waterproof, so I wouldn't recommend doing that, but it handled it. I was able to get it back and let it land. But the quality of it's really nice. I would suggest shooting in daylight. You want some good light to get the best quality overall with that 1/2-inch sensor. Yeah, to fly it with the controller and the app. The app also has a lot to offer. They have a bunch of different shots that you can use, like circling around, point of interest shots, some zoom out shots, things like that, so that you could just set it to do that and it will do it. Otherwise, you can just use the controllers on here, and you have a return to home button, so it has the GPS on there. So if it does get lost, you can have it return to home, which usually if you take it too far and you lose signal, when it returns to home, obviously it's going to get close, so it'll connect back to that signal pretty quickly. You can also have it on Sin or normal or sport. So Sin would be like a slower, like you can really get some cinematic shots. In sports, like the fast one where it's going to go really quick, but uses the battery a little bit quicker than that. Easy to navigate that app and fly, and yeah, you can easily take videos from it, and the picture quality looks amazing, just like this. So it has the front sensors on there and bottom sensors to try to avoid any obstacles, and then it can just easily land. You can land it on a table, you can land it on your hand, and yeah, I actually really enjoy this. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.